Hey guys, Mr. Vice, how you guys doing? Here's my answers for number 5. So you can check yourself your answers and see how you're doing with those problems. So for a two-step equation, we want to solve for x, right? Because you want to get this by itself over here. So we're gonna move over this term plus 7. When you move over something, you want to make it the opposite operation. So now if we moved it over, 3x plus 7 is going to be 3x. And then plus 7 minus 7 is going to be 0. So it's going to be equal to 13 minus 7 would be 6. And then we want to get rid of this 3 right here. So we're going to divide by 3. Divide by 3. So x is going to be equal to 2 in this one. All right? 6 divided by 3 would be 2. Cross out the 3's and we're just left with an x. Okay. So in the next one. Okay, so for this one, we still have the same thing. So we want to make it to a two-step equation because you guys should know how to solve two-step equations. So we can move over the 5x. It's going to be equal to 9x. And then cross out the 5, and then 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 equals 14x, right? Now, this 9x is by itself already, so we want to leave that there. So subtract the 14x. 10 equals 5, negative 5x, because 9 minus 14 would be negative 5. And then 10 equals negative 5x, because I'm out of room. So last thing you do is divide by negative 5. And then negative 5 divided by negative 5, they cancel out. Negative 2 equals x. Okay. Negative 2 equals x, and that's the answer for that one. So we got 2 more to solve. So for this one, the last one, we have parentheses here. Parentheses always means to multiply. I'm gonna bring this down. Always means to multiply, right? So it's gonna be 7x. 7x. Actually, let's go back. So it's gonna be 7 times 2 is 14x. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. And then, got the minus 11. So we're going to have 6 plus 6x. And then it's going to be 14x. So negative 7. So it doesn't look like a two-step yet. We want to make it look like, this above, like we had above. Right? So we had this above. So we had, you want to make it look like this problem right here, right? Like this one right here. And so to do that, we got to combine like terms. So that combining like terms, we're gonna have 14x minus 18 equals 6 plus 6x. And then we're almost there. So now it kind of looks like the problem above. So we're going to add the 18 over to make it a two-step equation. So we're going to have 14x minus 18 plus 18 is 0. 6 plus 18 is 24 plus 6x. And now from there, we're going to subtract the 6x. And it's going to be left on 24 on this side. And it's going to be 24 on this side. So on this side, 14 minus 6 would be 8x. And the last step would be to divide by 8. So your answer, 8 divided by 8 is 1. X equals 3 is the last one right there. Okay. And then to solve this last problem, so this last one we're going to subtract that 1 over to make it a one-step equation. 14x plus 4 equals 5x. Subtract the 4x over. 4 equals x, and that's the answer for that one. Right, so that's going to be the last answer right there. Okay, guys, make sure that you guys are checking your answers beforehand and you're not just copying, because that's would just defeat the purpose of trying on your own first. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You leave a comment if I made a mistake. Okay, have a good day, guys. Enjoy